Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Dr. Murali Manohar, Chirumamilla. Today I'm going to talk about something that can be quite concerning, or as you might know it, loss of memory. Now, amnesia simply means a partial or complete loss of memory. It can happen in different ways and to varying degrees, especially as we get older, and sometimes it's linked to certain mental health conditions. Let us look at what causes it and what the symptoms are. One of the most common forms is what we call verbal amnesia. This is when someone struggles to find the right words or remember names. Another less common type is temporary memory loss. In these cases, someone might even forget who they are, their name, age, family, everything about their past. The main reason for amnesia is damage to our brain cells, also known as neurons. This can be caused by diseases that directly or indirectly affect the brain. Sometimes it is due to poor blood supply, often linked to circulatory problems. We also know that a general decline in mental sharpness can contribute to poor memory. Interestingly, many cases actually have a psychological root. They can be triggered by anxiety, also known as anxiety neurosis in medical terms, often in people who focus heavily on their own problems. And of course, a head injury can also lead to temporary memory loss. So, what can we do about it? Well, there are several natural remedies that have been used for a long time. First, let us talk about rosemary. Rosemary has a long history as a memory aid. In ancient times, people even inhaled the scent of distilled rose memory water, believing it could clear the mind. Today, we consider rosemary an antidote for mental fatigue and forgetfulness. You can make a tea from the herb and drink it once or twice a day to help boost your mental sharpness. Another helpful herb is Brahmi, also known as Bacopa maniri. One traditional preparation involves drying about 7 grams of Brahmi, grinding it with almonds and pepper, then mixing it with sugar and drinking it every morning for 2 weeks on an empty stomach. Sage is another herb that has been found to be beneficial for a weak memory. It is thought to work on the brain's cortex, that is outer layer, easing mental exhaustion and improving concentration. You can make sage tea from dried leaves. Now, let us talk about some everyday foods. Almonds are great for restoring memory when it's weakened by brain fatigue. They contain properties that help strengthen the brain. You can soak 10 to 12 almonds overnight, remove their skins, make them into a paste, and eat it with butter or even on its own. Exhaling almond oil can be helpful. Walnuts are another excellent food for brain health. Eating about 20 grams of walnuts a day can be beneficial, especially if you eat them with figs or raisins. Apples are also useful. They contain important substances like vitamin B, phosphorus, and potassium, which help in the production of glutamic acid. This acid is important for nerve cell health. Eating an apple a day with honey and milk is a good way to support your memory and reduce mental irritability. Other fruits rich in phosphorus like figs, grapes, oranges, and dates are also good for brain health. Cumin seeds are another traditional remedy. Mixing 3 grams of black cumin seeds with honey and taking it once a day, preferably in the morning, is recommended. Finally, black pepper mixed with honey can also be beneficial when taken in morning and evening. Beyond these specific remedies, a healthy diet is crucial. We should focus on foods rich in phosphorus, such as cereals, pulses, nuts, egg yolks, fruit juices, and milk. Cow milk is particularly beneficial. Finally, getting enough rest and sleep is essential. Learning relaxation techniques and meditation can also significantly help in managing amnesia.